Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create a scanline effect just like the one you're seeing in this video. I'm going to show you how you can do that in Filmora 12. So the first thing you need to do, guys, is go on and create a new project and drop your video, the video you want to create scanline onto your timeline. So I already have one. Let me just play and preview the video. So pretty much it's just a girl dancing along the street. So to add scanline effect, go to the effect tab, and under video effects, you're gonna see where you scroll down, you're gonna see on the bottom we have scanline. So to add scanline, they just pick, there are 7 in totals or 6 in totals. Okay, there are 5 in totals. To add scanline to our video, just download them and drag them on top of your video file, and let's just play to preview what it is. So it basically changed your video from scan your video from normal to mosaic. So let's try the second scan line. So when you drop this on top of your video, this is what it looks like. So it's like a heat map. That's pretty much what this effect does. So let's check the next one, the scanline negative. So this is what it looks like. So pretty much you can play around with this, and you can incorporate this with maybe a tutorial video. You can incorporate it with any videos or any content that you want to upload on social media, because it's quite fun to do. And you can use the negative scanline. Yeah, I've seen tons of videos on YouTube where people actually create a negative kind of environment with a type of effect. I really didn't know what they were doing, but I now understand what a type of effect they used in the video to get this type of look. So if you want to do that, you can actually use this scanline effect negative to get this result, or you can use this other one, which actually create a blur, which turns your video from gradually from what it is to a blur. And instead of you doing it manually using keyframes from certain portion of your video, you don't have to do that. Just plug in this effect to your video and voila. So pretty much it turns your video from regular to blur. So pretty much that's how you can use the scanline effect in Filmora 12. If you guys found this tutorial really helpful, please just smash the like button and leave your comment down in the comment section, and so we can interact. And that's all for today's video, and see you guys on the next one.